Hey, Rocky. What are you doing? Yeah, is that what you're doing? Do you want to tell everybody about your enclosure? No, you don't? Well, we're gonna tell everybody about our bird enclosures today. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Are you ready? Yeah, we're ready. Okay, Allie, so we had a really big project going on today. What happened with Doc here?
So Doc here got a brand new enclosure today. We just moved him in here just a couple minutes ago. And before doing that, we had to set it up for him. So we just did a whole bunch of different things in here. So we put in a new den box for him. You guys actually made that for him. He had to get his new little food station for where we can put his water and food bowls to keep them safe. And then we also re-perched his entire enclosure, put all new perching in there, set it up so that he has access to his entire enclosure, and tried to set it up the best we could to make sure that he can utilize as much of the enclosure as possible. And he seems to be liking it a lot so far.
Everybody's got a food box. We do make these. And they do love to chew on them. So Shock actually has a brand new one. Might already have some chew marks in it. They have fresh water and food this morning. Looks like they got vegetables. They probably also have some seeds hiding in there. Shock actually hasn't made a mess yet. And then they're all gonna have a nest box right up there that they can go into. Most of these have heat pads in them. They'll also have a heat lamp, sometimes one or the other. And then a lot of perching. We put in all of the perching, and again, they love chewing on stuff. Shock actually really likes to climb on this little platform he's got. And so we have to change these out regularly. We also look at the size of them versus the size of the bird's feet to make sure they're nice and comfortable when they're climbing around.